Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to change the page background color in Google Docs to set a custom canvas tint. First, open your document in Google Docs on your desktop web browser. Go to the top menu bar and click on File. Scroll down through the drop-down menu and click directly on Page Setup near the bottom. Inside the Page Setup pop-up window, ensure you are on the Pages tab for standard documents or the Pageless tab if you are using Pageless mode. Look for the option labeled Page Color or Background Color and click on the color circle icon. A color palette grid will open where you can select any preset shade or click the plus sign under Custom to enter a specific hex color code. Select your preferred background shade or custom tint from the palette window. Click the blue OK button at the bottom right corner of the window to apply your chosen background color across the entire document layout. If you want every future document you create to use this exact background color, click Set as Default before clicking OK. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.